Alright gang, this is Pogo. He's been on another YouTube. I think he's a year or 2 years. He's from New Mexico. And great little dog. Super high energy. He's about the highest energy dog. One of the 2 highest energy dogs I've ever taken care of. He's a great little guy. He's kennel trained, potty trained. He'll only get aggressive with aggressive dogs. That's it. Other than that, he's just a big baby. He doesn't mind cats. And that's Pogo. Let's see if Stu is around here. Stu! Today, Stu! Let's see if Stu's available. There he is. Okay, that is Stu. Little blonde guy. He's from Gallup, New Mexico. And Stu, here. Hey. Yeah, he's just about as he's scared of his own shadow some days. Very gentle, sweet little guy. I would suspect he's probably 3. He's got some scars from being bitten and harmed by other dogs, but it hasn't destroyed him. He's an absolutely wonderful dog. I don't know if you can see, he's got nice white teeth, so he can't be very old. Absolutely wonderful dog. He just sits there and wags his tail. He's happy to be alive. They were going to kill his ass. Yeah, they've literally trashed the backyard. Come on, guys. Over here, today. Pogo. Pogo. Today, Pogo. Come on, let's go. Move. Come on. Pogo. Yeah. Pogo. Well, that was the 2 dogs. Pogo. Pogo, come on. Pogo. Another project that just isn't getting done. But it runs. Pogo, come on. There he is, look at that. That's a rocket dog. This is not for slow-moving people. He's an absolute rocket. He's a wonderful little guy. Yeah. I got them this $10 igloo, but they don't seem to be very interested in it. Probably just use it for cats, I guess. Won't even go in it. Alright, well, that's them. Stu! You coming out? Stu! Yeah, he's in the brush. He ain't coming out. So that's the 2 dogs. They are available for adoption. They're both... This guy's fixed, and Stu is going to get fixed. And that's about it. And we'll catch you on the next YouTube.